At this point, we have a piece of content that we no longer need for that expired tour. So let's go ahead and delete it. We haven't had to delete a piece of content yet. So how do we do that? There's two different ways. Let's go ahead and go to the Find Content tab. We can also click Content up here in the main navigation. And we have two options. We can find the item inside of our content list here and click Delete. Or if we're in the process of editing a piece of content, I went ahead and clicked the Edit link, we can scroll down to the bottom and click Delete. Whenever we do this, we'll see a confirmation form that lets us know that this action can't be undone, and this is true. So when we click Delete, this data will completely disappear. So we need to be careful when we're doing this. If you're not sure whether you should be deleting some data, you should definitely back up your database first. Let's go ahead and click Delete. Okay, now you see that our content no longer displays on this list. If you have more than one piece of content that you need to delete, you can also use these checkboxes here in order to check individual items, or you can check the top checkbox to select all of the items, or unselect all of the items. Once you have these selected, you can use the update options here in order to perform various actions, including deleting. So if we drop down this menu, you see that we can publish selected content, unpublish, promote or demote. We can make this selected content sticky or not sticky. We can delete it, or we can update the URL alias. So there are several things that we can do to modify content in bulk.